keep telling you about how to make $1,000 a day with a single AI model, predominantly using Reddit, and it'd be fucking rude if I didn't show you exactly how to set up a brand new Reddit account from scratch, including how to purchase a proxy, check the proxy, set up with a proxy, set up with an email, etc. So nothing gets flagged, so the account doesn't get banned, even if you've already been banned on that account before. So I'm going to try and speed run it in this video because I can't be fucked and it's going to take a while. But I'll also use the exact same email that I created in the last video using the hide my email iPhone method. So if you're having trouble creating emails, like good quality emails, then you can simply use the hide my email method on iPhone. Super easy. I showed that in the last video. And just to show you that it works, I'm gonna use the exact same email I created in the last video to set up this brand new Reddit account. All right, now let's jump into it. Alrighty, first thing, we're gonna go to proxy cheap and we're gonna log in or create an account, whatever. Now you're probably sitting there going, oh, I know a better site. Yeah, but no, those proxies won't work. Just do exactly what I'm doing and you'll create Reddit accounts with no problems, all right? Now, once you're in proxy cheap, you're going to order proxy, top left here. Once you've selected that, you're going to click the top left again. It'll say static residential ISP. Static means stand still, residential means house. So you're going to select that, the top left one. Then you're going to select premium because this makes sure that's never been used. Oh, but it's so expensive. It's going to cost me a fortune. Do you want it to work? Or do you want it to work? Once you've selected premium, you'll scroll down, go proxy location. Now you want to select a Western country for obvious reasons. US is always a safe bet, so we will select that. Once you've selected that, we'll ask you for the internet service provider. It doesn't matter because it's premium. It ensures that it's never been used before, so it doesn't really matter what internet service provider you select. So we'll just go into WRX. Number of proxies, just the one. Time period, select 1 month just to start off with. Go auto extend, and then it'll automatically renew the proxy so the account, so you can continue logging into the Reddit account. Once you've done that, you'll select next. You'll use whatever payment method you want. I've already got a balance. This is my YouTube proxy account. So we'll go check out, order successful, close. Now, before you even start the Reddit account, you want to check the quality of it. So this is a new one up here. And then you want to tweak it a bit. So you want to click on that. You want it to be SOX 5. So we'll scroll down here, go to protocol, SOX 5, authentication, that's fine, that's fine, that's all fine. Now we're going to check the quality of it. So if you come down here to the IP address, you're going to copy that. And then you're going to open up a website called Scamalytics, and you're going to paste that IP address in here. And then you'll click on this button or push enter. Once you've done that, it's going to tell you the quality. So lowest risk, that's what you want. Ideally, you want it to be 0, but lowest risk is fine. Low risk is fine. Anything above low risk and the Reddit account will get flagged. Now, if you do not purchase a premium proxy like we selected, then the fraud risk will be a lot higher. It will be medium risk or worse. So low risk is good. With that, we'll create the Reddit account with it. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to use an anti-tech web browser called AdsPower. You'll click on that, sign up, download it to your computer, and that's what we're going to use. Once you have AdsPower fired up, you're going to go ahead and create a new profile. Doesn't really matter what you name it. We're just going to name it Reddit 1. As I said, we're trying to speed run this, but it'll still work nonetheless. Ungrouped, cool. You can start categorizing it and cleaning it up and whatever. As I said, we're just speed running this. Proxy, custom, proxy type, SOX 5, IP checker, doesn't matter. Host port. We're going to copy all this from the proxy cheat window. Username, password. Now you're going to copy the host IP address and you're going to paste it here, wherever it is, here. And then you're going to copy the port and paste that over here, like we're going to do now. Paste that. Then you're going to go check proxy. Connection test pass. Awesome. It's saying that you're in Arizona. No worries. Now we're going to create the Reddit account. So you've gone OK. Now we're going to open this and we'll begin creating the Reddit account. There's the info here for the browser, but it doesn't really matter. You're just going to go straight to Reddit. By the way, when you create all these accounts, you're going to want to list them somewhere, whether it's in a spreadsheet or whatever, because you're going to have a shitload of different emails, passwords, etc., to keep track of. So you're going to want to keep track of all that. As I said, I'm just speed running, creating a Reddit profile in this video, but you do want to make sure that you've recorded all that stuff because it's going to get hard to manage. Then once you've done that, continue with email, top left here. Now we're going to enter the email that we created with hide my email, which was 11_uptakes dot bangle at icloud.com. Continue. It's going to send a verification code, but if you saw the last video, you'll know that this will get forwarded to your normal Apple account, just your normal email that you use. Boom, here it is. Make sure to check spam because it will likely go there. Continue. Username, YouTube demo 1. Beautiful. Password, whatever you want. Gonna remember to write this down, otherwise I'll forget what the password that is. YouTube demo 1. Boom, continue. Save. Over 18, 2006. That'll be about 20. Done. Good enough. Continue. Confirm your birthday. Doesn't matter. Obviously, if you're setting up an AI model account, you'll be selecting women. I just want to speed run creating the Reddit account itself in this video, and in another video I'll show you how to optimize it for higher conversion rate, etc. But for now, just want to speed run it because it's going to take long enough as it is. Choose your interests, just select beauty, whatever. Continue. You don't have to select beauty, by the way. Customize your feed, select whatever. Just doing random shit. Speed run, remember? Boom.